guys, welcome back to another week of Mortgage Matters in Minutes. Again, I'm your host, Brent Rasmussen, owner of Mortgage Specialists. So today we are going to speak about 5 questions to ask your mortgage lender on a yearly basis. And before we get into that topic, obviously we've been speaking about a lot of items related to the mortgage industry and the real estate industry. And we will continue to do these Mortgage Matters in Minutes every week. To get you education that you need and you deserve and getting the correct information, not something that you can Google or find in the media, but facts that are able to be answered for you. So this topic or this question was written in June of 2018. And why is that important to me or to you? I think it's very important because what we saw in 2020, 21, and some of 2022 was the refinancing boom took an extreme tally with the rates coming down due to the Fed pumping in money into mortgage-backed securities. So a lot of these topics that we're talking about, we've written blogs on many years ago, and they're still good topics to talk about each and every day. Because why do we bring up this topic today is that you want to have a relationship with your mortgage lender, just like your financial advisor, just like your insurance agent, just like your real estate agent, just like your CPA, any of the financial people that are in your daily world. You want to have a conversation with them generally every year to figure out what's going on and what can be best for you in the arena that they're experts in. And if you don't have that relationship, I would advise you to get one. There's plenty of mortgage people in every community, in every area that would love to have a relationship with you. I can tell you I have thousands of clients. Some are personal friends from high school, college, and post-college, and even the last 2 or 3 years have become great friends. Have that relationship so you have someone to call versus an 800 number or anyone, because a mortgage isn't as easy, or understanding all the different options available to you might not be as easy as you think it is. And so we're going to give you some of these questions to ask your mortgage lender today. Number one, is there a way to lower my monthly payment? Why would you ask that question? Well, just like we're seeing now in 2023, rates have climbed a little bit, but we're also seeing them start to tick down. And at some point in time here in 2023, 2024, we're going to be seeing people refinance their interest rates again, and they're going to be asking these questions. And if you can follow up with your lender every year, you might not know that interest rates have dropped, but if you check in every year with your lender, you might ask them a simple question: what can I do to lower my monthly payment? And that might be as simple as going to a longer term loan or a shorter, smaller interest rate. Also, another question that we can ask is, can I shorten my term? Maybe you're getting closer to retirement. You want your mortgage paid off. Is there a way to take my 30-year loan and shrink that particular time frame that's left on your loan to maybe a 10 or 15 or 7-year loan to get that paid off a little quicker? And maybe that gives you a lower interest rate on top of it, and it's better for your financial situation. Also, you might ask, can I pay more towards the principal? If I did, maybe can I get mortgage insurance removed? So that might be a question to lower your payment, as you're very close to getting to 78% loan to value on a conventional loan, and you can get your balance to a low enough number to get mortgage insurance removed. That's another great question to ask your mortgage lender. Or is it a time to change what kind of mortgage I have? Maybe when you purchased your home, you didn't have perfect credit. You had to take out an FHA loan, or maybe a different kind of loan that wasn't as beneficial. And in the meantime, you've increased your credit and increased your financial situation, and now can qualify for a conventional loan. So maybe now is the time to look at a better type of loan, which generally is a conventional loan versus FHA being this scenario. And the last question you might want to ask your mortgage lender regularly is, can I take out a second mortgage or a home equity line of credit? That's a very common question right now with rates being higher, but yet you're still wanting to do things to your property because the value's increased. Maybe you want to finish the basement. Maybe you want to add on to your home. Maybe you need to consolidate and pay off some bills. But taking out that second mortgage and a home equity line of credit is very available to you in certain situations. So do I really care as much about asking these 5 questions to your lender? Yes, no, maybe. Doesn't really matter. What I'm really more or less suggesting, and besides these questions that I can give you to ask your mortgage lender, is to get a relationship with your mortgage lender. And we all have lives, we all have families, we all have emotions just like you. We're not out there on 800 number. We're actually people. We're actually like to help clients and give them the best financial advice we can. So besides asking these 5 questions that you now have to ask your mortgage lender, find yourself a great mortgage lender and become friends and have a relationship with them. I have many clients that call me every year, checking in, asking how things are going. And your mortgage lender also should reach out to you, whether it's a phone call, whether it's a text or an email, checking in with you to see how you're doing and how you have needs and if those needs have changed throughout your time as well too. Here at Mortgage Specialist, we'd love to be that mortgage professional for you. Anytime, day or night, we're here as a phone call away, because real estate doesn't happen 8 to 5. It happens all the time, weekends, evenings, and your mortgage lender is not available to you on evenings and weekends. I would suggest looking for a new one. And here at Mortgage Specialist, we would love to be that partner. Again, feel free to check us out each and every week for our Mortgage Matters in Minutes here on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, as well, and subscribe. If you get to YouTube and Mortgage Specialist LLC, we'd love to have you be a part of our weekly subscribers and weekly videos to get you educated in regards to the mortgage lending business. Have a great week, you all, and we'll see you next time. Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.